Well, tonight, are the Atlanta Braves getting behind a candidate in the governor's race in Georgia? That's the question that some political observers are asking tonight. Take a look at this invitation for an upcoming fundraiser for Republican nominee Brian Kemp. The event, which will take place 2 weeks from tonight, lists a number of hosts. And if you take a close look, one of the listed hosts for the event, the Atlanta Braves. Now, late this afternoon, we received a statement from the Braves about this. Corporate Communications Vice President Beth Marshall writes, "As we have done for many years, the Atlanta Braves provide campaign contributions to both Democrat and Republican candidates, including Abrams' 2015 and 2016 campaigns, and are not taking a political stance for either gubernatorial candidate." The statement goes on to say the Braves had not been contacted yet by Democratic nominee Stacey Abrams' campaign, but they expect to hear from them. Sinead?